everyone, in today's art vlog, I want to share with you some of my recent painting, both the one I finished and a few pieces still in progress. But more than just showing my process, I want to talk about something that's been very close to my heart lately, what it really means to keep creating even when no one's watching. There were times I felt really discouraged when I poured my soul into painting, yet no one seemed to notice, no one watching. It felt unfair, like my effort didn't matter. But over time, I started to see things differently, and that shift changed the way I create forever. So in this video, I'll share a bit of that journey and why your art truly matters, even if no one sees it yet. I hope it gives you a bit inspiration to keep showing up, keep creating from your heart, and have more faith in what you are doing. Because sometimes the most meaningful art grows quietly before anyone else sees its light. Over the past 2 years of creating and sharing my art, there was a lot of times I felt deeply discouraged when the response was so quiet that it made me start doubting everything. I began to question myself a lot and even the meaning behind my artwork. When my joy of creating starts to depend on whether other people respond or appreciate, it becomes exhausting. I began to constantly question myself. Maybe I'm not enough. Maybe I'm not talented enough. Maybe this part just isn't for me. And honestly, there were times I thought about giving up. If you ever felt stuck like this, I know you understand this. As artists, we all have that natural desire to be seen, to be recognized. It feeds our sense of worthiness and sometimes our ego too. But when that recognition doesn't come, it drains us. It makes us feel small, unseen, and disconnected from why we start painting in the first place. And on top of that, we live in a world full of noise. Every time I scroll through social media, I see artists sharing their success story, their achievements, their glowing moments, and sometimes without realizing it, I start comparing myself, wondering why they could do it, why they could grow so fast, why they sell their art, why they could get noticed. Even I working very hard too in silence, but I still cannot. Is it because I'm not good enough? Maybe I'm not talented. I feel like I'm so toxic to myself. And the more I compare, the worse I feel. Then there's also the negative noise. The people who say things like, being an artist is too hard, you cannot make a living with art. Only truly gifted can survive in this field. And for a long time, I believed those voices unconsciously. I'm not even aware of that. I let them shape my own reality, how I see myself, because what we believe creates our own reality. I start to internalize all that scarcity, the fear, the feeling of not good enough, and slowly I built limiting beliefs that ended up blocking me, blocking opportunities, and most importantly, blocking the pure joy that once came so natural from painting. But over time, when I gave myself more space to step back, especially when I have more time to meditate and reflect a lot deeply on who I was and why I create, all about the fears, are they real? I began to see how much those external noises had distracted me from my truth. I gradually realized how much I depend on validation, how desperate I had become to be seen and approved by others, and all of that had taken me further away from my authentic self, the version of me who painted just to express, to play, to love, and to feel alive. As I slowly reconnect with that part of myself, my true self, I began to fall in love with art over again and have more faith in what I create.
So beautiful all the time. I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see with someone else what to do. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And
Painting has become my way of channeling something divine. I mean, not in a religious sense, but as a deep connection to something greater, something pure. When we create with no expectation, no attachment to the outcome, only from that place of truth, we experience a kind of joy that is unconditional. It's like touching pure love. And when I'm in that space, I stop comparing myself to others. I stop judging my art or anyone else. I start seeing the beauty in every creation, every expression of life around me. I've come to a stage where I can truly embrace my own work and celebrate others too. Because I now see that every artist, every piece of art is a unique expression of source energy, a different shade of the same divine creativity. I know that that may sound a bit spiritual, but it's very real for me because when I connect to my higher self, I allow myself to create freely with no pressure, no fear. That's when I feel most grounded. That's when I truly enjoy every brushstroke, even still some small struggles. And from that state of connection, inspiration flows so naturally. There's no resistance, no fear, no limiting beliefs holding me back anymore. I also realize that the more I stay aligned in that inner truth, the more effortlessly ideas come to me. Because when you create from pure joy, you stop worrying about the result, you just become creation itself. And when you're in that state, you cannot stop creating. So if you're someone who's feeling unseen right now, please remember your art matters, even if no one sees it yet. Keep showing up, keep creating, because every piece you make is a step closer to your truth, and one day the right eyes, the right heart will find it. What is authentic will never age, even sometimes it may come late. But I believe our art will find the right people at the right time.
Every day something new. If I spend it with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round.
Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope my story resonates with you, and if it does, I love to see your art, to hear your story too. Let's continue to share, create, and grow together simply because it makes us feel alive. See you in the next video.